Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
He can't do that. Thank you for recording because he can't. You cannot come in my home. I did not give him permission
You did
to
not.
come.
He walked.
Thank you. Talking about it's an altercation.
There was no altercation.
I don't give a damn what you heard. I don't give a damn what you heard. You understand what I'm saying? No, because this is my home and this is my property, and I'm telling you to leave my home. That's what I'm telling you.
Or step inside.
There was no disturbance here.
There wasn't.
That you heard something, but this.
No, he didn't. He heard us talking loud because I'm a loud ass bitch. That's why. That's why. I asked you to leave my home now. Excuse me. Thank you.
Sorry, there's not a problem going on. I don't see why you
First of all,
step
you
in.
can't just walk in my
You know what I
home.
mean?
Yeah.
I understand what you say. You got
I know my law.
basically, but we
Kevin,
argue with
this
that.
man is not. He's
just
nobody.
He is talking
I don't
as a
give a
responsible adult.
I'm talking
you're
as
just yelling and
the
screaming.
person who runs this house. That's what I'm saying. I
Sorry
don't give a
about
fuck
that.
about what you talk about.
Angela.
Shut the fuck up
Get back.
now. You
Get
shut
back.
up. I don't care what he's talking about. This is my house. I pay these bills. You crazy? I your head coming up in my house? You must be crazy coming up in here.
Sorry,
Talking about you heard something. You heard me talking. I talk loud and I'm aggressive. And guess what? You did not knock on my door. There's no weapons here. There's nothing going on here. And you are violating my rights, sweetheart.
Right.
Now, tell me that I'm fucking wrong. You can't, because I'm not wrong. You're violating my rights. You do not come up. Shut up! Shut your mouth! You do not come up in my house. You do not come in my home without my permission. Period.
When I get called,
I don't care what you got.
Hey, I don't care.
I don't care what you got. Because guess what?
care.
If I hadn't just came in the house and smoking a cigarette, this door would have been closed and your ass would have had to knock. You do not fucking come in my house without my permission. With your white ass, and I'm black, and I'm scared of you. So guess I don't care.
Right.
I don't want to hear it.
That's
I don't want to hear it.
That's why you're screaming.
I'm screaming because
You're so afraid of me.
I'm screaming because you're in my space. This is my home. This is where my kids live. How I know you wasn't coming up here with a fucking gun? Black people killer? How do I know that? I don't. So guess what? I'm aggressive. I'm being hostile, like you guys call us, because you done came up in my home.
Yeah.
Go get my leash from downstairs now. Like I don't know my rights. Stop playing. You got the wrong black girl on the right day, baby. What do you want? What do you want?
There's no problem.
What?
here.
What did I say?
There's no problem.
I got this. I got this one.
No,
What do you have? What do you want?
You guys could just walk out because there's no problem here.
What do you want?
That man is the intelligent one in this house.
What do you want? Guess what? You about to walk out my home though, because I know my rights.
Yeah, 'cause
Bye.
No,
This is
because
her.
he's
Bye.
Because he's
Goodbye.
No.
Goodbye. Shut your ass up, Kevin.
I have nothing
Do
to
what
say.
I told you to do. Goodbye. I know my rights.
All right.
They cannot walk in my home.
All right, thank you.
Because if this door was closed, they would have had to knock. Don't
Knock.
ever do that again. Thank you. I don't give a fuck. I know my rights.
Now, there's a few things I like to do. I like to listen and I like to read. You see me? And that's just two out of the few. You know? Listen. Now, is it that the police officer is wrong or is it that the woman is wrong? Who is at fault? Because the police officer saying here some form of distress, him a response to a call that there's something going on wrong. So him a do him job. But at the same time, the lady is defending herself, saying that him, the police officer, don't have no right to come inside our house like that. You see me? Without a search warrant or whatsoever procedures need to be taking place to get this thing. You see me I say? So, who is at fault? That me ask my viewers. You see me I say, cause you don't know me don't really want to be the one for take side, you know? Because you know a lot of people have strong feelings towards certain things. So, you tell me what you think about this one, alright? And as always, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way just is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla ENT.